And we're back here at WRC Toys. First of all, I want to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for a blessed day. We're going to unbox this Vegeta, the demonized Vegeta. This Vegeta has four heads. You can interchange the head. So now let's unbox the Vegeta figure. Here. There. You see the figure. It has three heads. Four, including the one in on the figure. Okay, here's the figure. It's a statue. It doesn't have any articulation. And here is Vegeta. Vegeta in the form of Super Saiyan. This is the yellow Super Saiyan. This one is a statue. It has no articulation. You just stand it up and for display. If you want the regular head of Vegeta, this one. Then the Super Saiyan God Blue, you can change it also. And also the Super Saiyan Red God. This one is the most powerful Super Saiyan God of Vegeta. Vegeta form of Super Saiyan. And now, if you want to pose Vegeta, you need the cloud. This one, I'm going to put at the side of his, at the back of his foot. There, so you can stand him up like that. So you can display him like that, doing his form of Super Saiyan. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel. Bye.